To insert the SIM card in Realme Note 60, first we'll need to open the SIM card tray on the left side of our device. We can use SIM ejection tool to open it. Then release it. And now what we need to do is grab our SIM card, and you may notice that there's two SIM card slots on this device, and they are also named, but let me see actually to tell you which one is which. So the one on the corner is on the edge is SIM card 1, and the other one in the middle is SIM card 2. Now we need to grab our SIM card and align it with the slot. In this case, I'm inserting it in the SIM card slot number 2. Then grab our device and just slide it in there like that. Now make sure to close it, and also let us check if the SIM card is detected. Here's the pin for my SIM card, which confirms that I've properly put that SIM card inside of my device.